fix WhatsApp couldn't refresh. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here as you can see I am already on my WhatsApp app. So what the problem is, if you go to a friend and you want to send a message, as you can see it just doesn't send. So right now my internet it's fully working, other apps are working, also the Facebook and the Instagram has problems. So what is the solutions, guys? I have a few methods for you. The first one is going to your settings, and then from here you want to go to apps, and then here you have to search for WhatsApp. Click on it and then go to storage. So here you make sure that you clear the data and the cache. So if it still doesn't work after you do this, you can go to your Google Play or Apple Store and update your app and make sure that your internet has a good quality. So the last thing to do is just waiting for WhatsApp to solve this problem, because it may be just a bug, so you will not be the only one who is dealing with this problem. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.